like legit feels like a video game. Woo! Welcome back. Today, I get to show you, my friends, brand new MCLAREN 765LT, and I am pumped because there's nothing that excites me more than a MCLAREN. It's not entirely true, there's a lot of things that excite me, but a bright orange 765, does it get any cooler than that? I don't think so. Let's go check it out. I'm on my way, Doug. Now, if you don't remember Doug, what is going on here? If you don't remember Doug, Doug is my friend that had the Ferrari F8 he just bought and said he was buying a new car. Well, he bought this MCLAREN, and it is sick. I haven't actually seen it in person. I've just seen photos of it, but it's sick. My guy. Oh man. Oh man. This is it?
That's it, buddy. What do you think?
I think it's a step up from the F8.
It's a few steps from the F8. Yeah, it's an exciting car.
How's it? You drove it from Calgary?
I did. It was amazing.
Amazing?
Yeah, I've never had a MCLAREN before, so just to get rid of or get used to the instrument cluster and that sort of stuff at first was new to me, but yeah, the car was really impressive. Like, I was actually shocked. I'm still shocked.
More aggressive? Like you wanted more aggressive than the Ferrari?
Yeah, it's aggressive if you want it to be. But you know, it's got a lot more cabin noise. It's a lot more raw. Like, you just feel the car.
Perfect.
You just feel the car.
That's what that's what you should get for the price tag on them.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah.
The color is really cool too. It's this.
Can you open it?
Papaya Spark Gold Metallic. Yeah.
Because they have two colors of orange, don't they?
Yeah, MCLAREN Orange.
Yeah.
And then this Papaya, which is an MSO color.
Oh, this is MSO.
Yeah.
Oh man, I like the belts. Oh man. Oh, that's sick, eh?
Carbon cells, carbon top, all on display.
Wonder the weight is on this thing. No, it's not. 2,700?
Yeah, it's about 2,700.
Holy.
I could be wrong.
And 765 horsepower.
Close to 50 pounds or so. Yeah, it's 765 horsepower.
So it's under 3,000 pounds with you in it, or close to?
Yeah, it's under 3,000 pounds with me in it.
Wow. Cool. Hey, where's your Jeep? I want to show them that.
Jeep's in here.
And what year is this again?
The Jeep or the car?
The Jeep.
Jeep's a 2021.
21? What's the car? 21?
Same thing.
Yeah. Okay, either way. And you put 37s on it?
The Jeep has 37s. Yeah.
37s? Yeah.
3-inch lift, I think.
Have you been driving it?
Yeah, I drive it every day.
Nice.
It's my favorite vehicle.
Really?
Yeah.
Well, this is a Dougmobile right here. Oh, it's in the middle of your gym. Oh man.
Yeah, we just pull it out when we want to use the gym, but...
Yeah, I need a montage of this. Getting her all ready here for the rally, are you?
Yeah, rally time tomorrow, buddy.
Hey, should we take this for a spin?
We'll take this for a spin, yeah?
Yeah? Okay, I'm gonna get a montage and then we'll roll. This is an aggressive looking car, don't get me wrong. But when you put it beside this, like...
Yeah, you've got some good lines in your wide too, but this thing, yeah.
This is next level, man, especially like the quad type tips coming out of it and stuff.
Yeah, it's very futuristic.
Yes, yeah, like
it doesn't have hard lines, they're all, everything's round.
My favorite part in these cars is how part of the roof opens with the door. Left hand. This is unreal, Doug. I dig this Alcantara everywhere.
Yeah, that's the one thing about McLaren is they're kind of odd because they're furry everywhere, right? There's Alcantara.
Yeah, but what's that like to clean after?
It's easy.
Is it?
I don't run the vacuum over it just because I just add more wear. I just get a wet cloth and just
okay, like a microcomber?
Kind of comb it, yeah.
Okay, well, it's like legit feels like a video game.